What's going on, peeps? It's MrSettin007 working on the Porsche Cayenne. What I'm doing today is, as you can see, it's raining. I need to start changing some of these wiper blades. So I want to set up where I can have that done, and I guess we'll figure it out together. But I'm going to change the blade. This is a Cayenne. This is a 2012 hybrid. So I have the blades here. What I'm going to do is put a link in the description and go from there, but it should be pretty simple. Let's see. Alright, so yeah, perfect. It's very simple. You're going to pop this off. So this is going to go this way. So very simple for the Cayenne. Just push it in and boom, and this locks it in just like that. So it's a very simple design. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. So very easy. This popped off, well, it broke rather, when I was going through a car wash, and I inadvertently turned on the wipers. So put it in this way, lock it in, and just like that, good to go. Oops, what I forgot to do was pull out the strip that protects the blade. So you pull this out like that. There you go. So now the strip is off. I should have did that first. Alright. And there goes the 535 M series because of the extra power. So again, guys, like and subscribe. Make sure you tune into the channel. Make sure you share it. I got quite a few different things on the channel that help represent different car hacks, fixes, different cars I work on. So definitely check it out. Let me know. All right, so this is that. Yeah, so the same thing. I guess you just put it up that way, slide it out, and then so again, very simple design on this Porsche Cayenne. Slide it in, after you take that piece off, and it should slide it all the way in, and it'll lock just like that, and boom, we're good to go. All right, simple design, works great, very easy to do to upgrade. Obviously it stays raining, and as I mentioned before in the video, the blades were broke off in the car wash because I inadvertently turned it on as we were going through the car wash, and that was it. One of them broke, especially on the driver's side. So thankfully I stopped it. I didn't scratch the windshield. None of that. So like and subscribe on the channel. So now I'm going to work on the back piece. I gotta take a look and see how that's the front. So the back piece, I'm going to see how that works. It looks like it's some kind of a, I don't know, squeeze or system. Let's go back there and check it out. This is a 2012 Cayenne. It works for different models and years, which are very similar and the same. So let me see. Actually, the cover comes off. Okay, it just pops out. You just pull it out just like that, and then it's going to be replaced just like this. I guess I'll just pop it right back in. I want to make sure that it's lined up and even. Looks good. So this just pops right in. It has two sides here that clips. The clip is going to fit in right in there, and boom, just like that. So how to change the wiper blade? I don't know, I might see if I might adjust this because it comes down a bit too far. I'll look into that later on and see if I can pop this out to adjust the nut. Let's see. So, oh, this is old. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to see if I can adjust that nut. Give it more. All right. That'll be another video probably. So I'll just adjust that another time, but for right now, it's working. The blades are new. I know that I won't have to worry about it popping off. All right, so like and subscribe. There we go. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I'll leave these, like I said, I'll leave a description in the video so you can purchase these. These are direct fit for the Cayenne. They work really well. I'm going to turn the car on and take a look. As you can see, some other projects here. That's a 400E Mercedes, 1992. 500 SL is 92 as well. You see the 4Runner over there in the background. Got to throw a video up on that. I did relocating the rear shocks. All right, so let's get this baby going. There we go. Perfect. Look at that, nice and clean. All right, guys, like and subscribe.